Hi guys, what's up? I'm Aditi Kote.
My name is Kruti Kote.
I'm Shruti Suvarna.
This is our first ever YouTube channel and we don't know how often we'll post videos in this, but we have made this account just for fun and to watch these videos in the future, laugh, cringe and relive our memories. For those of you who don't know, we three are actually cousins and let's just hope that you guys watch us soon together after this lockdown. So I'll just stop ranting and let's just get on. So I'll just stop my ranting and let's just get on to the video.
Oh, it's raining. So basically we will be recreating each of the Instagram photos. For example, मैं recreate कर रही हूँ अदिति and श्रुति का एक photo. It was so much fun and difficult in the same time. Disclaimer: Shruti's pet name is Gudiya. We've been calling her Gudiya. It's awkward when you call her Shruti. So cute us if we just go like Gudiya, क्या कर रही है? Gudiya, your picture is very nice, or comments like that. So yeah, and let's move on to the video.
Hi. First pic which I'm going to recreate is this one. I chose this pic because the dress which Aditi is wearing in that pic, I had a similar kind of a dress. I know that she has clicked this pic in Goa and I had also bought this dress to wear in Goa, but I never wore it and I miss Goa right now. Anyways, come back to reality. Also, I've chosen this pic because in this pic she is smiling and a lot of people have told us that, we have a similar kind of smile, so I thought, I can recreate it. The pics which she has posted in her Instagram, most of them are from photo shoots and I don't have a photographer right now. I'm going to ask my 9-year-old younger brother to click all my photos, so I thought, why not go with a simple pic? That's why I've chosen this pic. So let's get started.
2 hours later.
So this is the picture that I recreated of Aditi. Hi! As you can see, I've changed my top similar to what Stuti is wearing in that pic. Though the color isn't, but the pattern was, so I thought, why not? Also, she's wearing earrings in that pic. I didn't have the similar type, so I'm gonna go with these. I'm a bit nervous because in that pic, Stuti's eyebrows are looking amazing and I am sort of eyebrowless. I'm quite nervous. My face and the whole picture, like 50 or 70% should resemble with that one. Yeah, so let's get started. So this is the picture that I recreated of Stuti.
Hi guys, so I'm ready and I'll be doing this photograph. इधर ही लिया है photograph. I'm scared because there is no sunlight. I don't know what I'll do, but I'm gonna click some pictures and get back. And also I don't have the exact top, so I'm wearing sleeveless black top. And also Aditi has zero makeup, but I have put a little bit of foundation and a little bit of red lipstick because my skin is very bad, but her skin is very clear and very nice. I'll be doing like these spot with this moisturizer. It's too nice. And also the curtain is different. I don't know if you can see, but it's brown or either it is orange and white. I still have those curtains, but so very cute. No, I don't. And I also don't have like the scrunchie.
Oh, these? These are just my scrunchies. I noticed you don't have one. Really? You keep that. Don't even worry about it.
Or that she's wearing in this picture. So I've just eliminated it. I'm not a visco girl. I've never been a visco girl, but he was very much into visco girls and all that stuff. So she made a scrunchie for herself. TMI, but
And I
wanted to say that I don't have the same product, so I just kept one perfume box. within 2-3 takes, and I'm fairly happy with the picture. But she has very curly hair. It's okay. I mean, chalta shayad se. This is the picture that I recreated of her. We will shoot this. This is also gonna be really hard because her expression is, I don't know how to do that. I had like lipstick on, so I removed that, and I have a lot of pimples. Like I live with it now, so I hope the filter covers it up. I think we can do it. Let's do it. Chalo karte hain. I'm gonna keep this background only because this is a hall room's background. I cannot do that. The filter she's using, usme like mera background zyada dikh nahi raha, so I figure out which filter she's using. She's using some Instagram's filter. This is such a good picture. I think the expression would be very difficult to do. So this is the picture that I recreated of hers.
I think I can do my thing in front of the camera, but when it comes to doing something specific, it is really difficult. And let me tell you this, Shruti and Stuti both are great competitors and I don't like to lose, so watch out. Oh my god, I look cute or whatever. So I'm going to be recreating this picture of hers, and I did my makeup. As you all can see my brows. Stuti has like really great perfect brows in that picture, so I tried to recreate that. And I'm wearing purple lipstick. I'm wearing this top and it oh my god, it's raining. So I'm wearing this top ulta because it has v-neck. I'm wearing this one earring because I can't find the other one. And also I'm wearing a turtle ring. I don't have a belt. The belt that she's wearing in that picture. So what I'm gonna do is fold it and make it look like a belt like this. The thing is, it is still raining and I went downstairs, but I couldn't take a picture because it was still raining. So I tried to take this thing seriously, but I can't take this seriously. So now I am going to edit myself in her background and take a picture at my home.
What? What the fuck?
So this is the picture that I recreated. I know, very bad editing, but I had to do this and gotta do what we gotta do. First, Shruti, I'm going to be recreating this picture of hers. I did my makeup and everything. And as you all can see, her hair is straight. So someone is going to donate their hair. Say hi. Hi. So we're going to chop off her hair. You thought. This is what.
अच्छा मेरा फेस नहीं आएगा इसमें.
नहीं, जैसा गुड़िया का है वैसा चाहिए हम लोग को.
रहेगा ना मुझे.
That was a fail, but
तू ना ऐसे दिखा मेरा है, बट तेरा खुद का ही कर, कुछ ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा ही करके. समझा?
Stop it. Get some help.
picture that I edited, not recreated, because the whole point of this video was recreating. I can agree that I tried to recreate the hair as well, but my mom's hair was looking very curly, so I just edited my face into her face.
So I think I got the picture. Let's just hope that they like the pictures. I know that they won't like this picture, but I'm excited to see their reaction.
So guys, हम
I hope she likes it.
श्रुति का पिक्चर्स देखेंगे जो मैंने और श्रुति ने रिक्रिएट किया है. स्तुति देखेगी और उसका रिएक्शन नहीं है.
Excited. वो देख अदिति के बर्थडे का टाइम भी उसने ये किया था.
देखा?
अदिति ने किया. देखो भी देखना. कैसे दिखाऊं मैं? तूने मौके भी किया है. मेरे को लगा था ये ऐसा कुछ करने वाली है. हाँ पॉइंट. मैं तुझे गंदा एडिटिंग है बहुत ज्यादा, तो आई एम गिविंग यू 6. ये फीट शर्मा स्वर्ण. आई एम गिविंग अदिति 6 पॉइंट्स क्योंकि व्हाट इज पोज अच्छा है यार. पर
मुझे तुम मिल गई. कम स्तुति.
अच्छा मैं अभी गुड़िया को देखूं ना.
श्रुति का देख रहे.
अरे तुम लोग यार. श्रुति का बहुत ज्यादा
Nice.
अच्छा है. सच्ची ज्यादा ही अच्छा किया है. रिक्रिएट पूरा किया है उसने. लाइक उसने हुडी से खींचा है. और क्रेडिट्स गो टू शर्नम स्वर्ण.
जो अभी
बहुत अच्छा ऐसा मुझे याद है. ये पीछे आ रहा था. एकदम अच्छे थे. याद है देखो. अरे वो सिर्फ वही फोटो था कि मतलब आई कुड रिक्रिएट दैट वन. बाकी सब में लाइट बहुत आ रहा था. एंड फिर इवनिंग टाइम था ना, तो घर पे यहाँ पे इतना लाइट भी नहीं आ रहा था, तो उसकी वजह से. नाइस. आई विल गिव यू 9 out of 10. 9 एक्चुअली 10 out of 10. वेरी नाइस. इतना अच्छा था. बहुत अच्छा. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं ना you took this challenge seriously. That is what I like about you. बड़ा बड़ी. थैंक यू. और किसका? अभी अदिति का.
शरू स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा है क्योंकि मेरे फोन में नहीं दिख रहा.
उसको बोल थोड़ा सा क्लियरली कट.
ओ ये तूने बीच का फोटो को रिक्रिएट किया है. वाह.
ये कौन सा वाला है मुझे समझा नहीं. लाइक ओरिजिनल कौन सा फोटो है. बहुत अच्छा है ये. मैंने इसमें भी देखा, मेरे को समझा नहीं, बट ये बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है. You can post this on your Instagram for sure.
मैं तुझे
अभी मेरा वाला अभी शो माइन ना. हाँ करूँ.
तेरा कंपटीशन वैसे भी डेटॉल के साथ है ना, तो 99.
वो डेटॉल नहीं.
हाँ अभी स्तुति का दिखा. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा.
क्यूट लगा ये
एक्चुअली.
And with those dimples, oh my god. खुद है मार्क्स 72.
स्तुति का फोटो बहुत अच्छा था. मैं देना चाहूंगी 9 out of 10.
अगर सनलाइट होता ना, I would have killed it.
हाँ एक्चुअली लिया था मैंने पिक्चर.
हाँ एक सेकंड है ये वाला. हाँ एक ओरिजिनल है और एक ये इतना डिफिकल्ट था मेरे लिए क्योंकि
बता
मैं क्या बताऊं. मैं सरू बता. लग रहा है मैं तेरे को मैंने तेरा पिक रिक्रिएट किया. ये एकदम बराबर नहीं है. जो तेरा था ना, तेरा बहुत ऐसा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था. वो तो अभी तभी जो निकला. और तेरा बाल लिप्स को योर
मेरे को ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि मेरा 3rd पोजीशन फिक्स हो चुका है.
हाँ ऑब्वियसली हमने
मतलब रेस में है.
वही क्या है ये कितना. We have taken this challenge very seriously. Unlike
गुड़िया भी मेरा देख.
शाहरुख में अदिति का भी देखती हूँ. फिर ऐसा साथ में ऐसा थोड़ा सा. एक गुड़िया का मत भेज. मैं अदिति के ऐसे देख रही हूँ. उसने क्या
ये स्तुति को दे पॉइंट्स क्योंकि मेरा.
एक सेकंड अदिति ये कौन सा है. ये बहुत ज्यादा फनी है. बट मेरे को सिर्फ तेरा रिक्रिएट. तूने कौन सा वाला किया है मेरे को वो देखना है. क्या रिक्रिएट किया तूने. बोल ना. I mean, Aditi, you're not taking this challenge very seriously, so I think you should back out.
I am okay with losing.
I don't like to lose.
No, but like creativity के लिए तेरे को देना पड़ेगा 7 and Stuti 11 on 10. Only because Aditi ने challenge seriously नहीं लिया इससे.
हाँ, वही.
For every pick, it took me like 1 hour at least, and 40 to 50 pictures.
Live on our guest Instagram.
And out of that, selecting one picture. It was a headache. I knew Aditi ऐसे ही कुछ करने वाली है. I knew it क्योंकि जब वो मेरे को like हम लोग ऐसा पर्सनल पे जैसे मैं श्रुति के साथ कर रही थी ना बात, तब भी मैं अदिति के साथ भी कर रही थी. एंड उसने जैसे बोला ना, मैं उसको बोल रही थी, या तो तू बैकग्राउंड में किसी को तो डालने वाली थी, या तो तू कुछ तो करने वाली है. कीड़ा कांडी क्रिएटिविटी है. सो
9 मार्क्स दिया है तो तू सिर्फ मेरे को अच्छा फील कराने के लिए 7 पॉइंट्स देने का जरूरत नहीं है.
वो 9 पॉइंट्स मैंने बहुत वो मेरा
अच्छा
फुल हार्ड वर्क, शर्नम का पूरा पेशेंस की वजह से वो 9 मार्क्स मिला हम लोग को. नहीं अरे नहीं, अदिति का भी ये था कि वो सर ये लोग को इसका फोटो भी नहीं खींच रहा था बेचारी. मैं वही सोच रही थी खींचने कैसे वाली है उसका सब पिक्स. जो दूसरा वाला फोटो मैं पता है, मैं तुम लोग को ना एक पिक भेजती हूँ.
स्ट्रगल से आके आई यू गाइस.
Okay, so I think we should do the second one too then.
We'll do a part 2 next Sunday if you like this video.
So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys liked our video, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Suggest us some more ideas in the comment section below. Please be safe. Do not go out unnecessarily, and if you guys are bored, please do watch our video so you guys can be entertained. So yeah, that was it, and stay tuned for our next video.